This is Super Yacht News with the eSysman. Passengers flee burning yacht off Sardinian coast. Dramatic footage shows the 50-metre superyacht Lady MM ablaze off the coast of Sardinia on Tuesday. The vessel was on her way to Sardinia from Capri, with what is believed to be 8 guests and 9 crew on board when the vessel caught fire. The Lavalier Coast Guard received a distress signal from Lady MM at 0600 hours on Tuesday the 25th of August. They launched 2 boats and a rescue helicopter to their location. A few hours later, the crew communicated to search and rescue that they had abandoned the vessel and were soon intercepted by the team from the Coast Guard. All of the people on board were rescued and there have been no fatalities. The cause of the fire is yet unknown. Lady MM, seen here moored in Cap d'Ai, is described by Yacht Charter Fleet website as a 47.5 metre or 155 feet ISA 470 motor yacht. Built by ISA in Italy at their Ancona shipyard, she was delivered to her owner in 2003 and last refitted in 2013. Previously named April Fool, her luxurious interior was designed by Janet Leroy. Did you witness this fire? If so, get in touch. And what do you think was the cause of this blaze? Let me know in the comments. And please be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.